Garfin online marine insurance systems. If you are a forwarder, a trucker, a transporter, or a courier, international or local, large or small, you are now able to offer insurance, online goods in transit insurance, without any phone calls, without any emails. You're able to give on the fly a written quote, produce a policy certificate, and collect premium instantly. You can now offer this service in full compliance with the Financial Services Conduct Authority using competitive analytical underwriting, underwritten by the most prestigious and largest insurance companies in South Africa, and why not get a referral fee in the process. The system supports shipments at an international, regional or domestic level, whether imports or exports, all forms of transport. All you need to do is to complete the information online and get an instant quote and a policy certificate, which is sent to the client. No phone calls to brokers, no emails to underwriters, and the certificate is produced instantly online. The payment is collected through an efficient system. The moment the quote is issued to the client, he receives a payment request which can be paid via credit card or instant EFT using a smartphone, a tablet or a PC. The funds go immediately to the insurer, thus complying with the requirements of the FSCA. The FSCA, the Financial Sector Conduct Authority, is the regulator which controls the financial services industry. Up until present, forwarders and transporters who are not licensed were not able to offer insurance. But through the Garfin system, you now can. The premiums go directly to the insurer. You work in association with a broker of your choice, who is a marine insurance licensed broker. If you don't have such an arrangement, Garfin can arrange that, and you receive a referral fee. Part of the policy certificate is the commercial invoice with a watermark with precisely the date and time that the payment was made, thus making it impossible to have misunderstandings as to when the period of cover started or what were the goods that were insured. What is analytical underwriting? At present, rates are the same irrespective of the details of the trip. For example, whether there is a transshipment or not. Let's take an air freight example. Say it's a shipment from Frankfurt flying directly on Lufthansa to Johannesburg. That's one level of risk. The same shipment flies with Ethiopian Airlines, getting transshipped in Addis Ababa, maybe even overnight, maybe even through a warehouse, and then flying to Johannesburg. Clearly, the second case has a far higher risk. With analytical underwriting that the Garfin system offers, rates are lower on the lower risk trips and higher on the higher risk trips, thus giving the client the benefit. The same situation applies to sea freight. The shipment could be going from China to Durban on a direct voyage, or it could be going, say, via Kuala Lumpur, where it gets transshipped, again with a higher risk. The system requires no installations. It runs with all browsers, whether Chrome or Edge or Firefox or whatever. There are no sign-on fees. Garfin obtains its revenue directly from the underwriters. It's extremely fast to implement and very fast to execute, which is particularly useful in those ad hoc urgent air freight shipments. It can be used by forwarders, transporters, couriers of any size, and it's very simple to use. The system is self-intuitive, but within the system there are demo and trading videos which guide you through the system. It makes full use of analytical underwriting, fast certificate production, and it stores all the information necessary for future claims, should it be required. And it has an extremely efficient premium collection system. So why not give your clients an additional service? And why not earn a referral fee in the process? So how do we get started? Simply go to Garfin's website, www.garfin.co.za, and in the website, click on the Get Started button. And after a few simple steps, you will get to the registration screen. And if you are either a broker or a forwarder with an FSP license, click on the first registration button. And if you're a forwarder or a transporter without an FSP license, click on the second one.